Right then, where are we now? Oh, look at that beautiful yew tree. But look at this. Wow. Isn't this gorgeous? This one's called, I'll tell you in a minute. Look at this. Look at the crenellations on this one. Absolutely beautiful. It's right in the middle of the countryside, this one. Right, this one's called St. Mary's Compton Pauncefoot. So that's cool. Right, let's go. It's very dark inside, so I've got to set my light out. Right then, let's try inside. Dear visitor. Beautiful. It's quite dark in here. I have had a peek in. Oh, how do you lock the door? No. No. I just left it. Lovely door. Look at that. Big heavy door. Says a lock. Beautiful. Right now. Wow. Now. Let's go up this way first. Oh, look at the light coming through that lovely thing. Let's see if we can get a nice shot on it. Turns colour when it's up close, like. Look at that. There's a writing on the bottom. Behold the Lamb of God, which something away, taketh away the sins of the world. Cool? Right, what's this underneath down here? Can you read that? I'll let you read that at your leisure. Now, oh, I can't see that, it's too far. Oh, here's the little font. Oh, it's got writing around the font as well. Oh, I can't see it, it's very tight. Oh, there's a trap door there, bring us down. Oh, this is where the, oh, it's up to the belfry. Look at that. Now, the 3 bells of the church were restored and rehung in 2004. Wow. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That ceiling. Oh, that ceiling up there looks lovely. I'll come and see that in a minute. Lovely. Right. Right then. Top of the font. In memory of Gary, right here, Gary Coles, died March 19th, 1913 or 1915, I'm not sure. And Mary Ann Hayter, in loving memory. There you go. Right, let's see if we can see the zipper here. It's very warm out today. It's awfully melting, 27 degrees. I don't fancy standing on that trap door, just in case. What's that say? Can you read it? I can read it later. Lovely. The old heating system around the walls. Oh, look at them, the old clackers. These are from bells of old. See up here. Memory of somebody. Look at that, gorgeous. It's a bit, pardon me, it's a bit tight down here. It's like standing on the gallows. All the ropes and wood and stuff. Right. And a trap door. Right, there's a nice one up there. Let's have a look at that one. Can't read the writing because it's so squiggly doo. 16 something. Wow. Cool. Right then, right above this. I can't read that either. I go very slowly, I might be able to get it all in. I can't see it because it's tiny writing, but look at the ceiling. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, the crosses up there. Lovely colours. Lovely colours up there. Oh, it's beautiful. Whoop. Right then, looking the other way. So we get that one in. All the pretty angels. This is gold, frankincense, and myrrh, is it? The three ways, man. Turning up at the birth. There you go, baby Jesus. Cool. Wow. Right, then started at, pardon me, 1316 was the first incumbent. Cool. And on the other side of the door, there's the later ones from 82 onwards, 2008. Right then, there's another pretty window we got up here. 3 warriors. Have we got any names? No names on any ones. Let's go for a quicker look. Loving memory of George Henry Taylor Whitehead, born 1864 to 1908. The righteous are had in everlasting remembrance. Yeah, let's go. Right, there's another one up here. Boop. That's pretty colours, that one. Aye. Couple of placemats. There, nice little screen here. Nice little pew ends. They've all got different little patterns on it. Cool. This side as well. Got some dust covers over the chairs. Right, there's, oh, here's another one. Look at this pretty one. Try and keep it as steady as I can. Right, that's to the glory of God. In the memory of, honour of, can't read the writing, I can't read the aioli writing, you know. My brain doesn't compute it. It says, oh, what's that? Can't read it. Right then, twiddling along, over here, the corner, more beautiful glass. Like, how long's that glass been there? There's no numbers on the thingy. So for all the little children to come onto me. Wow. I just see that organ, that's brilliant. The size of it's nearly up the ceiling. It's very dark in this corner, it'll come up a bit fuzzy. The same little panels that are on the pew ends. So, right, there's the pulpit. Let's go and have a look at that. Let's have a look at the pulpit. And then, beautiful. Looks like hamstone, sandstone, hamstone. Oh, it's beautiful. Lovely. It's slightly rough, but very nice. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let's go along here. Shall we totter up the stairs to see what the vicar or vicarette can see? Oh, nice. It's absolutely solid, this one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Must be nice on a hot summer's day. It's quite cool in here, which is nice. Absolutely roasting outside. Next is the big wheel. Electrics. Isn't he gorgeous? He looks like an American one, doesn't he? The big, he's not bald because he's got a ruff on his head. That pretty. Beautiful. It's a bit dusty. I can see some cobwebs around his beak. Yeah, it's very pretty. There's nothing written on it. Usually find these little lecterns got dedication on it. Nothing on this one. Big book. Look at that. Neat, gorgeous. Look at that. Big wooden one. Oop. Stunning. Right, what did I see over here? Oh, we've done that bit, right? This is the top art. What's this? Compton Pauncefoot, St. Mary's, St. Michael's, Blackford. I went to St. Michael's. It was closed. Massive church. Door. I flew around it though. So, okay. It's locked. It's locked on the inside. It's locked from being locked. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. 39.45. Stand back a bit. Getting RAF sergeant there. Pilot probably. Yeah, he's a flying pilot. Oh, it's absolutely stunning, that one is. Remembrance of Anne and William Mason and the tragedy of war. So, right down here's the altar itself. I'll have a look at the ceiling in a minute. It's beautiful. Lovely colours. Beautiful. And there's another stained glass window here. This is 1862 to 1947. What we got on this one? Is that King? That's St. George. I don't know. Who's this fella here? Remember William, First Lord Blackford. Cool. It's very nice, that one. I like a little thing in the corner there. I know, probably put candles on before this wooden paneling was put up. There was probably something behind there. This looks like an old part of an old fireplace or something. And the what's this? The altar is right up against the wall. So, but pretty, innocent, pretty church, isn't it? Down there. That's looking down to the far end. But look at this ceiling. It's stunning. Look at the ceiling. Wow. It's amazing. Wow, look at that. All the angels and things. And it's looks a bit darker right there. But it's absolutely beautiful. I'm glad I came here. As a recommendation from a parishioner of the other church. Right, the church was shut. Found some Yale written on the wall here. Can you read that? No, neither can I. Oh, hang on. Nope. I'll get the old Google Lens on that and that'll translate it for me, hopefully. Here we go. Or something, what's this there? This is Glory Gordon, memory of William Percy Hayter, his wife Mary Newbury Hayter, and her aunt Florence Annie Baker This chapel was dedicated 24th of December 1953. Is that the coronation of the Queen? Now look at this. See this little holy here? Up there. Oh, you can't see. It's called a squint, because you got to squint to see the altar. Yeah, from these side pews. And there may have been one on the other side before the organ was put up there. But anyway, that's it. And it's been lovely visiting this church. It was absolutely beautiful.